misclassifying the data definitely is a bigger risk, okay, because we are till now talking about we are way behind in identifying the data, where all the data is lying. Now we are saying once we have identified the data, we are not able to classify it. Let's take a very again, since we all are talking about Aadhaar, and that's definitely plays a very vital role till the time privacy has been declared as a fundamental rights in our country. So we can take its example. So Aadhaar is a 12 digit number,
Yeah.
right? So when it came for protection of Aadhaar ID, so there was a concept of VID also came into picture, correct?
Correct.
So though it is permissible in the system to use the VID, so and Aadhaar, so if we are combining these two, definitely this is gonna create a huge kiosk in the environment. And the cost effective solution that government has built for all of our uses in order to, while protecting the Aadhaar ID, the optimal uses of that would not be possible because of the misclassification. That's one. I spoke about the data minimization again. So if we are misclassifying, it can be both way, right? We are not classifying the data which requires to be protected. The sensitization behind the type of data has been missed out, so that would lead to various violation, right? It is direct violation. If you don't know, have not classified, then definitely it is violating, right? So that is a vulnerable step itself. Okay, so we lot of consequences we can talk about. We fail to report the breach properly because we don't know that these are the data which requires to be protected or the classified. We also like missing on the points, like these data should be part of our consent event. The privacy notice that we are talking about, what all type of data we are capturing, where it should go. So entire enablement is evolving around this classification. So classification is the first step after data discovery, which has to be done diligently in any environment. So if you talk about your BFSI, healthcare, these are really, really critical sector which are already governed by the sectoral regulations, right? RBI, SEBI, IRDAI. So all of them have this data classification as part of their regulation as well.